Alright guys, right in front of me we have the DEWALT DXV06PL-QT. That was sent to us to check out. I'll have a link down in the description where we got this from, and I'll put it on the screen right now as well. But we're going to take a look at this DEWALT right now because I need it outside in the studio. The studio is definitely messy because we're doing some electrical work in there, and it has foam in the walls, and that stuff goes everywhere when you cut it. And there is the beautiful DEWALT we'll be taking a look at today on Supercar Street Racing. Inside of the DEWALT box, we can see some cool things right on top. There is an attachment here, just like that. There is also this cool hose. And the DEWALT comes straight out of the box, like that. Very easily unboxed with plastic around it. And inside of the box, a couple of more attachments here. They're just extensions for this attachment here. What else came with the DEWALT? Let's see. Everything else is inside of it. So they did give you a lot of other cool options. There is a look at the filter that it uses. There is also a bag here, and we will be taking a look at how to actually install the bag. And that thing pinched my finger right here when I pulled this out. It got me good, so be careful. There's some wheels in here as well. Some cool little attachments. This thing is awesome. I'm so hyped. All the attachments are in there. The wheels should be self-explanatory. They just go directly in. Really cool looking. I love the black on yellow. They want you to screw the wheels on with these 4 screws right here that comes with it. So we'll have to get our drill out for that. All right, those are ready to go. There's a cartridge filter cleaning guide. Filter's already on. Position the bag so that it is distributed around the inside of the tank. Okay, I put the bag inside of there. It just said position it inside there. There's not much really in there that it says to do. And we have our accessories left, and our hose goes in like this. All right, after doing a brief amount of reading, I'm an idiot, of course, and this is where everything goes. The only thing I did not figure out is what that's for. Your accessories all go in this bag, and then the bag can attach to the side of the actual unit. There is a little thing here to hold it right there. All right, let's walk over to see Rich and Patricia. Wow. That's impressive. You can't hear this vacuum cleaner at all, only from the suction. Nuts. I love this thing. Dude, the other vacuum cleaner will deafen you. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and today we have something a little bit different. You can see I shot all of this video on my Meta AI glasses, and I wanted to just see if I could use that both full screen and kind of in a little shrunk down nature, just to see how well it integrates with the videos. And I do see that the cropping is a little heavy when we have to pull in the video, but it still works out pretty good. And then we cut in some of the other video with it compressed over a background, just to see and experiment about how good the Meta AI glasses are from Oakley. And they did pretty good. They're the HSTN glasses. I will have a video coming out soon about those guys, so stay tuned for that. But meanwhile, we got this awesome Dewalt Shop Vac here. It is the 6-gallon wet dry vacuum cleaner, and it is very awesome. This is the DXV06PL, and this thing is so cool because it has a 6-gallon poly wet dry compartment in there. It has a hose strap on the side, a 4-horsepower motor that is probably the quietest shop vac I've ever heard. And I think that's what impressed me most about this, is that this guy has the quietest motor. It will not deafen you. The other shop vac, the Craftsman, you need earplugs because that thing is so loud when you turn it on. This thing is not. And you can see a guy vacuuming out the car right here, just like I was. And you can look right here, you can actually do a blower or a wet and dry vac, so it is actually 3-in-1. Check it out right here. It has a 1 7/8 diameter for all the tools that attach to it, a 6-gallon compartment there for you. Here's a good look at all of the features on the actual wet dry vac. There is a handle at the top. There's a hose strap at the side. It is a flexible rubber strap that you can connect the hose to kind of keep it around the vacuum cleaner. It does have a 4-horsepower motor. It is very powerful. I tested that on the Studio and in the Tesla Model S Plaid. It has a quick connect for the vacuum port there and a heavy-duty set of swiveling casters at the bottom, which you did see me install. Now here's a good look at everything that is included with your DeWalt 4-horsepower wet dry vacuum. You've got your attachments there on number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You've got your filter there on number 5. You've got a little bag to hold all your attachments there on number 6. Number 7 is the filter bag. Number 8 is the instruction manual. And then 9, 10, 11, and 12 are your hoses and your bigger attachments and extensions there. And then you see the Fly DeWalt vacuum sitting right next to all the attachments. This thing has a 4.7 star review on Amazon, and you would expect that. DeWalt are the highest quality tools that you can actually buy, so you can't go wrong when you spend a little bit of extra money by buying DeWalt. It assures you that you have a quality product. I have all DeWalt tools now. All my power tools are DeWalt, except for a really old tiny little lithium screwdriver. Everything else is DeWalt. It says right here actually that DeWalt is reliable and durable. It's always quality assured and constructed with high quality materials, built tough to endure working environments. It does have convenient onboard storage for both the accessories and the power cord, and it is a compact and portable design, which is important when you're doing work around your house. And we want to invite you guys to check out our new Instagram presence, relatively new. We just started posting more on Instagram to our story about videos that we actually published. We're going to put a link in the description to our Instagram. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And now we're also on TikTok. We are posting a lot on TikTok right now. Please check it out. We have already tons of videos. We have 20,000 followers and 2,847 likes already. Please check out my TikTok. It will be in the description as well. And then check out the Supercar Street Racing Facebook page is also up. I will link that in the description. Go ahead and follow me and like some of the comments. I will put everything that we do on the channel on all of our social media outlets for you guys. And we want to thank you guys, of course, for 214,000 subscribers. We couldn't have done it without you. Please like and subscribe if you have not, and buy all of your Amazon products through our links in the description. It helps the channel out greatly. It gives us a few dollars here and there to stay in business, because we don't make any money off the channel really. But we got to get out of here right now. We got to go to lunch. It is 10:30. It's time for lunch. I'm out of here.